So the letter R sound was Donkey Kong, Cat Luigi, and Yoshi.
Yoshi!
So the letter R sound. Learn words that begin with the letter R sound. Say the word for each picture. If the word begins with the letter R sound, draw a line from the picture to the letter R in the center.
Whoa! This sounds kind of hard there, Donkey Kong. Do you think you can do it?
Yes, I can, because this is easy.
Okay, Donkey Kong, show the way. Ooh, I wish Mario was here.
Okay, so this is the first one. Do you think this starts with an R, Yoshi?
Yes! Yoshi!
How about you, Luigi?
Oh, yes, I think that's a rainbow. Just like we see when we're driving in our cars.
With your brother Mario?
Yes, like in Mario Kart.
Okay, let's just try. How about this one? Do you think this starts with an R?
Yes, I do. Yoshi!
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
R is for rhino, right?
Yes, it is.
Rhino.
What is this? How about this?
Ooh, that looks like raisins. Almost as good as mushrooms. I think that starts with an R, Donkey Kong.
Okay. Okay, so let's start this. You think it is?
Let's see. Raisins. Raisins,
How
right?
about this? Yes, it is.
I think that's a porcupine. That's a p.
How about you, Yoshi?
No. Yoshi. No.
I guess no. How about this? Do you think this is an R?
Robot. Rockin' robot. I think so. You connected Donkey Kong?
Okay.
Yoshi!
Fine. Then it starts with an R, maybe.
Robot. Oh no. What is that creature?
It's an alligator or a crocodile.
Oh, I don't think that begins with R.
So, nope. How
Nope.
about this one? It should be a bunny or a rabbit or a hare.
I think it's a rabbit. Rabbit.
Because rabbit's supposed to start with an R, so let's start.
Rabbit.
How about this?
That's a hat. I don't think so.
A party hat is no.
No, Yoshi.
Maybe this is a radish.
That is a radish.
I eat radish and bananas.
Radish. That is an R. Good
Okay.
job.
How about this one? Do you think?
No, well, that could be a rocket ship
Or a race ship?
or a race ship. I say yes. What do you say, Yoshi? Yoshi!
I say that is actually a spaceship. Actually, you know what? Okay, R.
It's a rocket ship. Good job, Donkey Kong, fixing your mistake. Let's go on to the next page.
Here it goes. The next page. Clues to R words. Read each clue. Write the answer to each on the blank line. Use the word list for help.
This looks tough, DK. Do you think you can handle it?
I can.
Okay, number 1.
A kind of flower.
Yoshi, which one do you think it is? Code. Warm,
Me.
hot. I think Yoshi found it, DK. Yoshi!
Yep, Yoshi found it. So, it's rose. R-O-S-E. Rose.
Yoshi! Okay, number 2.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Warm on your finger.
Worn on your finger? Oh no! Could that be?
Nothing bad.
I don't think it's a rug. Let's see. Let's guide Yoshi. Code.
Warm, cold, warm, hot.
Yoshi!
It's ring. So it starts with R. So R I N, and G.
Ring. Good job, DK. Number 3.
Here goes number 3. So, water that falls from the sky.
Water that falls from the sky. Is he talking about it from the Bowser ship? Oh no, is Bowser here?
You're hot already.
Oh no. Oh, I think it's a rain, Donkey Kong. What do you think?
Rain it is.
Yoshi!
R, A, I, and then N.
Rain! Great job, DK. What about number 4?
You lay it on the floor.
I think it could be a rug.
A rug?
What do you think, Yoshi? Yoshi!
R, and then U. Just 3 letters. U and G.
Great job! DK! DK!
I am Donkey Kong. K. DK. I am Donkey Kong. DK. DK. I am Donkey